There are tons of scholarships offered by the German government to international students, and I'll be showing you how to explore this efficiently to get your desired results, as well as giving you helpful tips to enable you land yourself a scholarship. So please watch this video till the end so you don't miss out on important details. Hi, my name is Sylvia. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this and turn on your notification bell. Don't forget to like and share this video with your family and friends. This is an important website you need to know when you want to study in Germany. It has everything regarding searching for the university, applying to the university, preparing yourself to come to Germany, insurances in Germany. In fact, all that you need to know. Do well to bookmark this in your browser so that you can always access it. And once you are here, if it's in DE, so please do well to change it to EN so that I can be able to read it. If you want to know how to search for tuition for universities in Germany, I have made a video where I talked about that. I'm going to link it up here so that you can watch that later. Also, there I explained how to navigate these websites in case you're wondering how I got to this page. There are tons of scholarships offered by DAAD as well as other selected funding organizations. So everything you need is in one place. So just by default, you can already see it has 180 scholarships. So now you are going to be searching based on what you want. So on the left side, you can see where you can refine your selections. You could search by programs. If you're undergraduate, graduate, doctoral candidate, postdoctoral, you search by it. You can also search by your country. You can search by subjects. If you are in any of these fields, you can as well search by intention, that is by research, by teaching, internship, language course, and studies. So they also offer scholarship for those coming to do teaching, internship, language course, and studies. So it's not just only for studies. So if you wish to come to do internship, you can as well come here and search by internship to see if there are any scholarship for you. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be searching by various parameters so that we can see what is generally on this site. So let me search first of all by undergraduates. Also, this last checkpoint means if you want them to give you only fundings by DAAD, so you check this, but if you want them to also get information regarding other selected funding organizations that is on their website, you could uncheck this box. So my recommendation, I would say uncheck it so that it gives you everything. So you can then read through and see what is applicable to you. Right now, I'm searching by undergraduate. I'm going to hit on refine my search. So based on my search for undergraduate course, you can see we have 48 scholarships found. And here you can just go through it and see what's interesting for you. Here you can see that by country, it says only specified. When you hover your cursor, you can see it says the scholarship for this program is restricted to certain countries. So you can click on it to know more. By subject, you can also hover your mouse and you can see the subjects that are relevant, those that can apply to this particular scholarship. So that's where you know if you are included. But by all means, each of them, you can open them on a separate link. That's where you can come back to your original search. Also here, you can see the status here. It says also undergraduate, and for some, it says graduate. You can also come back to this page and refine your search. For example, you can also search by country. For example, I'm going to search by India. And when I search by India, you can see a total of 88 scholarships are offered to those from India. So all you have to be doing is to open each of them and look through it and see if it's meeting your need and see if it's still open for application. So check these websites periodically because they also update with new scholarships, or when anyone is open, they will activate the apply button. So always check this so that you know when any of the scholarships are open for application. To explain in more details, I'm going to click on this first two, this government scholarship program Tunisia, and this second one, combined study and practice day, to explain these two different categories of scholarship to us. If you're from other country other than Tunisia, I also have other video where I talked about another DAAD scholarship. So I'm going to also link it up here so that you can check out that video and see if your country is on that list and take advantage of that particular scholarship. Otherwise, please explore the portal and make good use of the scholarships that is being offered here. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you are getting value from it, and subscribe to the channel to encourage me to make more of this video. This is the first one, government scholarships program Tunisia. So this already by Tunisia, you can already see this is targeted to those that are coming from Tunisia. And here you can see the objective is to support students from the Republic of Tunisia. You can apply. It says the program is aimed at applicants with a secondary education diploma to take up Bachelor of Master's degree in Germany. Duration of this funding is up to 6 years until obtaining a master's degree. And the value of this particular funding is monthly scholarship, one-off payment of travel expenses, payment towards the health insurance, and the semester fee. So basically, they're going to cover everything for you. So this is a fully funded scholarship. Important selection criteria is academic achievement. You can go to this website of Republic of Tunisia to get more information. So watch out for this particular scholarship when next is open for application. The second one I want to use for demonstration is this one, combined study and practice stay for engineers from developing country. This is also for those in Tunisia. Okay, so let's go through this. So what is very different from this first one, from this first scholarship and the second one, is that here you're going to complete all the application. You can already see it gives you the button for submitting an application. Unlike in this first one, there was no button. It just gives you an overview of what you need to do. It's very important when you're making an application, be it study application or scholarship application, please, by all means, follow every rule, every instruction given, follow it to the letter. Do not skip any of those. It's very important to Germans that you obey the rules. So here you can read the objective. Basically, it says the selected German university for the cohort 2024 are these: Technische University Chemnitz, University Dresden, Hochschule Offenburg, and University Passau. So there are basically 4 universities that you could be applying to when you want to apply for this particular scholarship if you are from Tunisia. And here you can read through who can apply. So this is targeted at those that are enrolled in engineering sciences and informatics. So what can be funded? So they can only fund implementation of the final project. So this is just for those, if you're studying already in Tunisia, you can come over to Germany to do your final project, and you would do it in any of these host institutions that I already mentioned. For more information, you're going to click on these links. It's always very important. One tip I would like to give us here: whenever there is a link, please ensure to click on this link to find out what is there, what is being detailed there, so that you can be aware of. And here it says the duration of the funding is just for 6 months, and the funding will begin no earlier than 1st of February 2024 and must be completed no later than August 31st, 2024. So this is still very current. And the value of this scholarship is going to be a monthly payment of 934 euros. They're going to pay you towards your health, accident insurance. They're going to also cover your travel allowance. Wow. And here you scroll down to read through the rest information, which is very important that you know. Everything on this page for scholarship is very important. So read through them and know what it's all about. For further information, it says, please see the link if you want to make this application. And when I click on this link, it brings me automatically to this PDF file. So here is everything you need to know regarding this application. So do well, you go through it. Who can apply? It says master's students, what can be funded. So these are the universities that are hosting this scholarship that you must apply to. And the duration of the funding is going to be for 6 months, which will be starting February 2024 and August 2024. And here you can see the scholarship value that we already talked about. And also here you see the selection criteria. And here you see the academic qualification that is required. And when you scroll down, you also see what is required of you, the language skills. You need to have good English language skill, and the application document you need to upload in that portal. So this is what you should upload. And then when you scroll down, you can see the application deadline. So this is still open until April 28th, 2023. So please do well and share this news to those that are from Tunisia to take opportunity of this scholarship. And this is the link for you to make the online application. And here it says, please note, the application is only valid if you submit all the required documents on time. The DAAD portal closes on the last day by 24 o'clock. An incomplete application would not be considered. So when you click on the second tab, application requirements, so here it says, please select your status, your country to enable you submit your application. And when I click on this link, it says only Tunisia. This is only targeted at those from Tunisia. So you select Tunisia, and here you would select undergraduate, or if you're a graduate, you can also select graduates. It's for the two programs, undergraduate and graduate program. And once you have selected this, what you have to do, you click on show application requirements. Brings you to this point. So here you can see what's required of you to make this application. And also these are the host universities that you could also contact when you are making your application to any of these universities. So everything you need is all in one place. Take your time, read through it, and explore and digest. Once you are ready, you click on this last button, submitting an application. Once you're on the tab submitting an application, it once again tells you what you have to do. It says first you need to register in the DAAD portal, and you need to request also for references. So everything is going to be done in the DAAD portal. And the third, applying online in the DAAD portal. It tells you need to prepare your application document, get everything, both the translated documents ready, and you scan your documents in PDF formats and fill out the application form, and then you upload all the documents online. Once you are ready, you just hit on this link to the application portal. Once you click on that link, it's going to redirect you, but because I already have an account with them, it automatically loads me to their landing page. And here you can see it says welcome from Silver. So for you, if you have not logged in before, it will prompt you to create an account. And from there, you will create an account, put your personal details, and then you would also land on this page. And basically, you start your application. This is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns, and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.